Today we are going to talk about the different evaluation tools that have been created for the Community Health Program's Goal 1 projects. First, there's the Goal 1 encuesta that are used during house visits with moms to create a baseline, process evaluation in the midterm, and a final evaluation at the end of a Goal 1 project. Second, there's the Goal 1 Excel spreadsheet, which is designed to organize the information from all of the Goal 1 encuestas. And the second part of the Excel spreadsheet has an input page that will give all of the information that the volunteer needs to report in the VRF. And the VRF reporting would happen at the end of the volunteer's project. So let's go and look a little bit at the tools. Within the spreadsheet, there are a number of different sheets. The first sheet is an instruction sheet, then we have column definitions, evaluations 1 through 3, and the VRF input. We're going to look at each of those sheets individually. First, the instruction sheet just has a quick description of what the tool includes, some tips on how to use it, and also which indicators are covered. The next sheet in the Excel spreadsheet has column definitions. This includes the title of each of the columns in the evaluation and asistencia sheets, described here, and also what each of those columns mean, just in case you're not aware or not understanding what madre edad cat, that category of the mother's age, for example, means. All right, then there's the asistencia sheets and the evaluation sheets. So your tabs down here at the bottom of your screen will show you which information sheet you're on. The evaluation 1 sheet is for the baseline. So once the baseline encuestas have been completed with the mothers, all that information will go into evaluation 1. The asistencia tab charts the attendance at different educational sessions or house visits where the educational session is done in the household. And you just put in whether or not the mother participated in that session, as well as whether or not the mother demonstrates a nutritious meal. Evaluación 2 or evaluación 2 is the second evaluation, a process, or a final evaluation, depending on whether or not there was a process evaluation done in this project. And then evaluation 3 would be the third evaluation, so the final evaluation, if in fact there was a process evaluation. Otherwise, there's just 2 evaluations. The colored boxes at the bottom of each of the sheets indicate the numbers that are used to calculate the total and the achieving for the VRF, and the breakdown by genders that are used in the VRF, as well as the age categories that's used in the VRF. Finally, the VRF input sheet includes all of the Goal 1 Community Health Program indicators with the age categories as needed in the VRF. So this sheet will demonstrate exactly what the volunteer should be reporting based on what they've included in their evaluation 1 and evaluation 2 and 3 sheets. So that's why it's important to be very careful when putting in data in evaluation 1, 2, and 3, because based on that, you will be getting your totals for your baseline and then your achieved categories for the VRF reporting. And all of the information that's included on this VRF input sheet should only be reported at the end of the Goal 1 project, because it's not possible to go back and change errors once they're submitted in the VRF program. So again, there's going to be 2 more videos that will show you the details of how to take the information from the Goal 1 encuestas that are used during house visits and input that to the Goal 1 Excel spreadsheet. And then a second video that will show how to look at the Goal 1 Excel sheet, specifically the VRF input page, and how to chart or report that information in the VRF, the volunteer reporting form. Thank you.